Ho, ho, ho! This year during the holidays, we decided to let the Deferred comp staff take a break and enjoy time with their friends and family. Oh, but don't worry, we found very capable and efficient replacements to fill in and answer all your questions.
Deferred comp, Barrett now speaking. Ew, you're not saying enough. You're definitely on the naughty list. Hey, wasn't your joke? Let's stamp the tax status. Elephant point. For your security, let's verify your account. What street have you lived on? Candy Cane Lane, Mistletoe Trail, or Cedar Tree Spur? Correct. And I would know because I've been watching you for the last 149 years. Hi, I'm Hazel.
Hey, I thought I was talking to Kate today.
She's taking the holidays off, but I can help you though. Let's check out the Grow You Retirement Savings Calculator. It's my favorite.
Yes, I would like to change my contribution to 5%.
I have a better idea. How about 25%? 25% is my favorite number because it's Christmas! Ooh, there's a puppy! I'll answer it later. Me. Oh, sorry, he's in training. How can I help you? Oh, no!
You have been so helpful. Thank you so much for showing me the calculator. Can I ask how you learned all this?
I'm elf-taught, but I do watch a lot of videos on motivatecomp.org. You should check them out. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. We can increase your contributions today.
On second thought, maybe elves aren't the best replacements, but they are cute. When you have questions, now or in 2025, please feel free to call one of our non-elf participant service representatives at 800-392-0925. Oh, or reach out to your local financial education professional. Our team is located around the state and are dedicated to helping State of Missouri employees save and invest for retirement. From everyone at the Deferred Comp Plan, we hope you have a happy holiday season and a prosperous new year. Ho, ho, ho!
Deferred Comp, Mr. Wayland, can I put you on hold, please? Thank you!